Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Help Guy. So for today, I'm going to show you how to share your contacts from Android to another Android phone. So for this to work, go to Settings and then scroll down. Go to Accounts and then Accounts Backup. Click on Manage Accounts and use the email that you're mainly using. Select Sync Account and make sure your contacts are synced. That way, even if you switch phones, as long as you connect your Google account to your phone, all the contacts will be synced as well. Another way to do this is going through Contacts and then click on the three dots right there. Select Manage Contacts and then you can export the contacts to your SIM card, then transfer that SIM card to another phone. Or what you can do here is you can go back and select sync again and then select the email account again that you want to sync your phone with. So those are the two options. You can either use a SIM card, you can export the accounts through your SIM card, or you can sync your contacts through your Google account so that if you change your phone, as long as you enter that same Google account, all your contacts will be saved on that phone as well. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do hit the like and of course subscribe to our channel only here on Help Guy.